Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at Bece 2018 Basic Science Past Question, question 40. Which of the following is not a renewable energy source? A. Geothermal energy, B. Nuclear energy, C. and B. Solar energy, C. Nuclear energy, and D. Wind energy. I'll go over the question again. Which of the following is not a renewable energy source? A. Geothermal energy, B. Solar energy, C. Nuclear energy, and D. Wind energy. Now, what are renewable energy? What are renewable energy? Renewable energy simply refers to what? Energy whose source can be what? Whose source can be restored. Whose source can be restored. That is, these are energy from source that cannot be used up. That is, these sources of energy, this renewable energy source cannot be used up. They cannot be used up. They last for a lifetime. They last for a lifetime. They last for a lifetime. So these sources of energy cannot be used up. They cannot be used up. Now the question says, which of the following is not a renewable energy source? That is, from our options, we have to pick the one which is not a renewable what? Energy source. And remember, we've established that renewable energy source are energy source that can be restored. That is, they cannot be used up. They last for a lifetime. Now A here says geothermal energy, B says solar energy, and C says nuclear energy, while D says wind energy. So out of these four now, we are going to pick the one which is not a renewable energy source. We'll pick the one which is not a renewable energy source. Now let's start with A, geothermal energy. Let's start with A, geothermal energy. Now what is geothermal energy? The geothermal energy are actually energy like in form of heat. From the word thermal, you hear geothermal energy. They are energy what? In form of heat. And this energy are usually gotten from what? They are gotten from plants. This energy are gotten from plants. And like we know, plants are living organisms. And plants cannot be what? Plants cannot be used up. Plants cannot be used up. So geothermal energy are gotten from what? That is like a form of heat energy gotten from plants. And that is where the name is derived from geothermal energy. Plants like power plants. And they cannot be used up. So geothermal energy is a what? It's a renewable energy source. Now solar energy here is just what? Energy from the sun. Energy from the what? From the sun. And like we know, sun is what? Sun can last for a lifetime. Sun can never be used up. So solar energy is a renewable energy source. Now let's skip to D. D is wind energy. And like we know, energy from the wind is also what? Is also a renewable energy source. Because what? Wind can never be used up. Wind cannot be used up. Cannot be used up. This wind can last for a lifetime. But C here says what? Now C says nuclear energy. C says nuclear energy. And like we know, this nuclear energy are actually energy what? Derived from what? From nuclear reactions. Energy from nuclear reactions. Like from what? From materials or from elements. From materials or what? Or elements. So nuclear energy are energy derived from what? From nuclear reactions. Now this nuclear energy are not renewable. Nuclear energy are not renewable. Like I told you, this energy are gotten from what? They are gotten from the nucleus of an atom. And like we know, atoms are what? Are small indivisible particles of a substance. Now it is possible that these elements which is nuclear energy is derived, or these substances that nuclear energy is derived, they can be used up because of their elements, so they can be used up. and that is why we refer to nuclear energy as a non-renewable source. So it is not a renewable energy source. So our answer to this question is what? Is C, nuclear energy. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.